Students, today we start chapter subject verb agreement in our class. We will learn about 4 rules of subject verb agreement without wasting time. Let's go start. First, let us know about what is subject verb agreement. The verb of a sentence must agree with its subject. It means if the subject is singular, we use singular verb, and if the subject is plural, we use plural verb. For making a grammatical correct, a verb must agree with its subject number, or we can say singular subject must have singular verb, plural subject must have plural verb. For example, Ram plays in the park. Here, plays is singular verb because here Ram is singular subject. Number 2, they play in the park. Here they is plural subject and we use plural verb also with they, because they is plural subject, so we use plural verb play. Now let's move to our 4 rules. Rule number 1, use the singular verb if you are using each, everyone as a subject in a sentence. If we use each and everyone as a subject in our sentence, so we use singular verb there. Rule number 2, when you use either, out of 2, neither, none of 2, use the singular verb. Here also, if we use either, neither in our sentence, so we use singular verb. Rule number 3, 2 or more singular subjects connected by or and nor require a singular verb, but when one of the subject is plural, it should be placed near to a plural verb. Rule number 4, joining subjects with and means we are using plural subjects, so use plural subject. For example, Ram and Shyam are playing. In this sentence, Ram and Shyam both are singular subjects, but when we combine them by adding and, it makes combination of plural subject, so it requires a plural verb here. Let us discuss some examples based on those rules which we have studied earlier. Number 1, everyone verb present. As we have studied in rule number 1, everyone will take singular verb with it, but in this sentence it has taken plural verb, so we will correct it by replacing plural verb were with singular verb was. Second sentence is Seema and Govind has not done it. Seema and Govind both are singular subjects, but when we combine them by adding and, it makes combination of plural subject, so it requires a plural verb, so we will correct it by replacing singular verb has with plural verb have. Now third sentence is either Ramesh or his friend has switched off the lights. Here in this sentence, students, when we connect 2 or more singular subjects with or, but one of the subject is plural, it will take plural verb, so we will correct it by replacing singular verb has with plural verb have. Number 4 is Riya or Rekha are to blame for it. Students, as we all know that when 2 singular subjects are connected with or, it will take singular verb with it. So we will correct this sentence by replacing plural verb are with singular verb is. Fifth sentence is each of these sticks are broken. Students, as we have read that each will take singular verb with it. So we will correct it by replacing plural verb are with singular verb is. Our last sentence is neither of them men have gone. Students, when we use neither in this sentence, it will take singular verb with it. So we will correct it by replacing plural verb have with plural singular verb has. Let's come to our exercises. Exercise number 1. Choose the correct verb in agreement with its subject. First sentence is every one of the girl dash happy. Here we use singular verb is because the word everyone is here. Number 2. Neither of them dash attending the function. Here two options are given below, is and are. We use singular verb because the word neither is here, and as we studied in rule that we use singular verb with neither is. Third, Sumit and Amit dash participated in the debate competition. Sumit and Amit both are singular subjects, but it joined with and, so it make plural subject. So we use here also plural verb have. Each of us dash finish the work. So each, as we studied in our rule, we use singular verb with each. So we write here has. Either of you dash responsible for it. We use singular verb with either. So we use here is. Neither of these children has stolen your pen. Dash praising the girl for her song. Students, here we use singular verb because as we studied in the rule that we use singular verb with the word everyone. So we write here was. Either she or her friends dash lock the door. We use here the verb have because her friends, she is singular subject but her friends is plural subject which is nearest to the verb. So we write verb according to the subject. Here plural subject, so we use here plural verb. Now let's move to next exercise. Rewrite the given sentences correcting mistakes. Here are some mistakes in the sentence. We have to identify and correct it by rewrite the sentence. Manav and Shubham has committed this mistake. Manav and Shubham both are singular subjects, but when we combine together with and, it make plural subject. So it requires plural verb also. So we are correcting it by replacing has with the plural verb have. Manav and Shubham have committed this mistake. Second, either the cat or the dog have been here. As we studied in our rules that we use singular verb with the word either. So we write the sentence as either the cat or the dog has been here. Third, neither the doctor nor the nurse are present. Here we will correct it by replacing the verb because we read in our rules that the plural verb is not used with the word neither. We use here singular verb. So neither the doctor nor the nurse is present. Each of you have pleased the teacher. As we all know that each will check always singular verb with it, so will replace have with has. pen or 2 pencils is enough to make him happy. As you can see here, one subject is singular and another is plural, which is nearest to the verb. So we use verb here according to the subject. Here subject are plural, so we use verb also plural. One pen or 2 pencils are enough to make him happy. Neither you nor your sister were present in the class. Neither word will take singular word with it, so we will replace word with was. Neither you nor your sister was present in the class. Every individual were celebrating the occasion. According to the rules, every word will take singular word with it, so we will replace word with was. Every individual was celebrating the occasion. A pen and a mobile was lying on the floor. Here a pen and a mobile both are singular subjects but connected with and make plural subjects. So we will use plural verb here. A pen and a mobile were lying on the floor. Here some sentences and verbs are given. We have to match them according to the subject verb agreement. Either Mr. Singh or his sons. His sons here plural subject, so we match the plural verb were. Each of the students, we always use singular verb with the word each, so we match from was. Manav as well as Govind. Manav as well as Govind is matched with singular verb. One orange or 2 bananas. Here 2 bananas are plural subject, so we match the plural verb are. Thank you students.